Hello everyone, I'm Isa. Today I am at Rippa Factory, a globally known brand and having specialty in their construction machinery. Today my goal is to experience their R32 Pro Mini Excavator, an invention getting a lot of attention. Let's start it. Rippa Factory have advanced production systems. The key components are the hydraulic valve stroke and bomb breakers manufactured in-house. For example, the bomb bracket of R32 Pro using the one piece of metal which is offer high strength and long service life compared to the welded bracket. This is the assembly area of R32 Pro. Each machinery in Rippa go under regular testing before leaving the factory, such as hydraulic performance and load tests, ensuring that the machine should be according to the customer needs. After learning about the production process, I am more confident in the quality of R32 Pro. Now let's go toward the showroom and see the unique design. This is the R32 Pro. The design is really unique. The first thing caught to my eye is the zero tail swing design. Look at this, the rear didn't expand with the track while rotating. That means that it will not hit any object while working in a tight area, which make it perfect working in the urban construction or for the small projects. Let's see the rear maintenance panel. It can open like this way and also can open beyond this. You can see it is the main component in every machine. The maintenance of any part, you can do it easily. This accelerator also features the internal motor design, unlike the expanded one, which is more safer while working and it doesn't damage any obstacles while on the work site. The cab is toughly designed. It's also having the heating and cooling air conditioner with a comfortable seat while working for the long time. It's really convenient. As we started, we have a screen in our front side. We have a logo of Ripa. After that, we have the RPM meter, the fuel gauge, the time, the voltage. It's having this slow and fast mode, oil gauge. All the basic necessary things are inside the screen. Are you also excited about this machine as I am? Let's take it outside and test it in the real world. Hi everyone, now we are outdoor and it's a little cold to open a front glass. But the view after opening the front glass is indeed really good. But it's cold, so let's close it. The bucket is main acceleration too. I will use to dig and load something. The digging is important project to check the accelerator is qualified. Can R32 easily compete it by its powerful hydraulic system and precision control? Let's wait and see. For the performance of R32 Pro is beyond my imagination, mainly because it occupied the Kubota V150 engine, which is powerful, fuel efficient and adaptive to different working space. I'm waiting for more surprises. This is mud bucket. I will use it for river dragging. Unfortunately, there is no river to clean up, but I will try and see the R32 Pro can do its job clearly. if I encounter the hard soil or weather rocks, which are difficult to dig, I will use a trailer. Let's take a look whether R32 Pro occupied with the trailer can easily cope the hard soil. When there is a garbage dump to clean up, a glass rank is a good choice. Of course, turning the soil is also an important function in the glass rank. The R32 occupied with the glass rank, which effectively complete two tasks. Let's take a look on its performance. Narrow buckets are used in pipeline construction and wallhead construction. They are suitable in fine work in narrow spaces. Combined with the high performance R32, I believe it is not disappointing me. The design of quick change connector is great. You only need to align and click it to complete the connection with the oil pipes. Let's have a look at the performance of its tilt bucket. I will be using an auger for a construction work. I need to see how it works on a hard ground. So let's take a look. Breakers are usually used in demolitions and crushing operations. The R32 Pro uses an efficient hydraulic adjustment system to make every strike accurate and powerful. From acceleration to shouting, from crushing to handling. The R32 Pro is capable to deal all of its operations. This machine is not only powerful, but also a all-rounder in engineering operations. I'm impressed by the power, various acceleration tools, and humanized design of R32 Pro excavator. I'm very happy to buy such an excellent machine today.